Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to talk about how to prepare for Google Cloud Data Engineer certification. So what are the best resources available to prepare for exam? So let me tell you one by one. So here one of the certification link which you can find out from Google, or I'll provide you the description link in description box. So this is the initial starting page, which you can find the number of rule based certification. So in between, now I am going to talk about data engineer certification. So in this data engineer certification, just let me click on and let me open in another new tab, so which you can see why professional data engineer, and what are the benefits and all. So this content is already mentioned. So what you can do, so this certification which is designed in such a way that the professional data engineer enable data driven decision making, and by collecting the transformation and the publishing data, a data engineer should be able to design, build and operationalize secure and monitor data processing systems with a particular emphasis of security and compliance, and the how the scalability and how we can maintain our efficiency, how we can reliability maintain, and the fidelity and flexibility and portability. All these scenario, all these things we have to do in data, in terms of data processing. So data engineer should also be able to leverage, deploy and continuously train pre-existing machine learning model as well. And what are the major area which we have to focus on? Design data processing system, optimize machine learning model, ensure solution quality, and build and optimize data processing system. These are the four major area which you have to perform in if you will play data engineer role in Google Cloud. So right hand side you can see some quick link, train for the exam, this is the link, and review sample questions, this is the link you can click. So in left hand side you can see these are the important links: train for the exam, review sample questions, and Google Cloud free tier account, and community learning certification hub, exam guide. So these are the important link which will help to prepare for your exam. So what we will do, just click on exam guide. So then based on that you'll start preparation your exam. So here let me tell you one thing. For example, section 1, designing data processing system. So this unit, whatever the exam guide mention one by one, try to start your study line by line. What is schema design, how distributed system works, and how data publishing and visualizing. For example, how BigQuery you are working, and batch and streaming data like example data flow, data proc, Apache Beam, Apache Spark, Hadoop ecosystem, PubSub, Apache Kafka, and online boxes, batch prediction, job automation, orchestration with a example cloud computer. So these are the exam guide which will help us to prepare in a structured way. So based on this exam guide you start your preparation. Then other part you just follow the community learning hub. Let me show you that one, community learning hub. This is the community learning and certification hub. So multi-cloud infrastructure skill learning certification hub, newsletter, I mean updated things we can get from here as well. And the other thing like what is the length of this exam? This is a 2 hours exam. registration fee around $200 plus tax were applicable. Language which is available English and Japanese. Exam format at least 50 to 60 multiple choice and multiple select questions will be getting. And the mode of examination, there are two mode, the online protected exam and on-site protected exam, right? And now, like as I mentioned, exam guide, you will follow exam guide. Based on that you will start training. So in training, so Google already providing some number of learning path. So just click on learning, start learning. Then here, this is the data engineering learning path, which you can design, which is designed by Google in a structured way. So it will be helpful, and based on the exam preparation, it has been designed. So prepare for Google Cloud Professional Data Engineer exam, document and course. And what are the, as per the exam guide, course has design. So you just try to complete all these course which is available. So it would be the great for you to clear the exam, and you can learn lots of things from this exam. Start learning and training materials which is provided by Google. So then take a webinar. So in additional webinar also is available in Google Cloud. Free webinars and free things is a time to time they are providing. And some sample questions you can also before going to attend the exam. So you can see what kind of and what level of question and what type of question will come in your real exam. Then if you are okay, then you will schedule exam. That's the number for schedule exam. But once you complete all these things as per this guideline, so some additional resource I'll talk about. One of the Git repo which is created by some GCP GitHub link, which is created by Satish Vijay. So here also you can just click on like number of certification they have created, the which document would be better. So likewise professional data engineer documentation and all how to prepare, and all people are suggesting, suggested how to prepare for the exam, which resource you need to follow for the Google Cloud Data Engineer exam. All this link is available here. This is one common GitHub repo to maintain all these link and all these things to prepare for data engineer exam. And before going to attend the exam, let me advise and I will recommend you to follow the visualizing Google Cloud which is created by Priyanka Vegadia ma'am. So that is very useful, and this is very helpful document. If you will follow thoroughly, so it will really help for your exam preparation or your data engineer profile career, if you want to build your career in data engineer. So this is the process which I explain, how to start the preparation and which document we should follow. And the Google documentation also you will check if you something you want to try to know a little bit more about. Then what you can do, just copy the text and search, as simple as that, just paste into Google and just click on search. So then you just Google document. So let me show you that one. If I'll search the number of videos and number of and also the Google Cloud document also it will display. So let me type some Google document, Google Cloud docs or documentation. So you see, this is the one of the good consolidated and one of the good study resource which you can follow. And also the product, like what are the products. For example, you are preparing for data engineer, so data engineering related the product which is available in Google Cloud. You can go through and go click on product and come to this product wise. You start the preparation or start learning. So this is the good handful document is available. So if you start your preparation, so all the best for your preparation and for your exam. If you will follow the process which I explain here, so definitely you can able to clear the exam. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for new updated video. Thank you so much.